What if time wasn't shown in numbers, but in words? Checking the time has become too boring. Numbers on a screen, hands going round and round, always the same. That's why I created something different. My name is Alberto Nicás, and I present my word clock. A clock that doesn't show numbers. A clock where you can read the time, not just look at it. You can make it completely yours because everything is configured from a very simple web app, directly from your phone or computer, with no installation required whatsoever. A direct Wi-Fi connection between your browser and the clock. You'll be able to change the time, the colors, the brightness, the transition effects, and you can even schedule time slots so that the brightness automatically dims at night, just the way you like it. And the best part is that this is not just a concept. After months of testing, updates, improvements, and countless prototypes, I now have a fully functional model. I designed the clock with the maker community and 3D printing in mind. Every single part can be printed on a home printer, and the electronics required are completely accessible from any online store. If you like the idea of reading the time in words, I invite you to support this project. I've developed it in 2 languages. Choose your version between English or Spanish. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. And don't check the time, read it.